Jai Gurdev students, today we will see the 12th problem of exercise 5.3. Okay, what they have given, what we have to find here, find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. First positive integers divisible by 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and so on. Last they have said 40 positive integers, means last also number we can find, that is 40 multiplied by 6, 6 into 0 0, 6 4s are 24, means हमें जो लास्ट 40th इंटीजर मिलेगा वो रहेगा 240. Why I have written here, we can if we will not find last, then only we can find the sum of 40 positive integers. Here then we can say first term is 6. Okay, here d is also 6 because it is a multiple of a 6, and here the last term an is equal to 240 and total n terms are 40, that we have to find the sum of 40 positive integers which is divisible by 6. So here we will use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. Okay, a plus an. So here as 40 we have to find, here is a 40 divided by 2 in the bracket. First term we have find here, see we got here 6 and last term is 240. That's why here what we are going to get 20 into, this is a 240 plus 6 is a 246 and here is a 220 is a 40. Okay, here is 0, 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 4 2s are 8, 9, 2 2s are 4, and we got here the sum of 40 positive integers which is divisible by 6 are 4920. Suppose if I want to use here the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, for that also we are having first term d and the total number of the terms, that is 40. Means here no need to find the last term, that is 40 term an which is equal to 240. But if I will get an, that is last term, then it is easy way we can find. Next 13th problem, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So first 15 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, to last term we will get as a 120 because 15 8s are 20, 120. Okay, here a is equal to 8. D we don't want, then only we can write a d is equal to 8, an is equal to 120, n is equal to 15. I know last term, I know first term, I am having the number of the terms, so I will use here the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. So as 15 which is equal to 15 by 2 in the bracket, what is the first term a and what is the last term 120. Okay, so I will get here 15 divided by 2 into 128. This is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. So here 15 into 64, 15 4s are 60, carry 6, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are that is just wait here. Now see here we got here 15 into 64, we have to multiply. Everyone know 15 stable, 15 4s are 60, carry 6. Here 15 6 are 90, 90 plus 6 is a 96, and we got here the sum of 15 terms of an AP is equal to the 960, whose the which terms are the multiple of 8. Next problem 14. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1, 3, 5 to dot last 49. Everyone know, that is 0 to 50 total 25 are even numbers and 25 are the odd numbers. So here first time I got 1, last time I got 49, n is equal to 25, and we have to sum of these. Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. Okay. So what is Sn? That is S25 we have to find here. 25 divided by 2. Here is the first term is 1 and last term is a 49. So what we will get here, 25 divided by 2 into 50, and here 2 ones are 2, 25 are, everyone know 25 square is nothing but 625, and here we got S25 is equal to 625. See here beta, from the 15 to the 20, which are the word problem and depend on the Sn, okay, that have been deleted from your syllabus for this year only. Okay. Now we will see exercise 5.4 optional. Okay, that first three problem we will see, and next fourth and problem again it is deleted. Okay, so first problem, which term of an AP, this is AP 121, 117 and so on, is a first negative term. Okay, so already everyone know first negative term means it is less than 0. Okay, so we here how we will find this? Given AP we had written 121, 117 and so on. From the AP already I told we are going to get the first term A is equal to 121 and D is equal to A2 minus A1, 117 minus 121, D is equal to minus 4. Here we will find AN. AN is nothing but A plus N minus 1 into D. A value is 121 plus N minus 1 and D value is minus 4. Here we will solve 121 minus 4 we are going to multiply. So we will get minus 4N. Minus into minus is a plus 4N. 121 plus 4 is a 125 minus 4N. This is the value of a AN. We have to find first negative term. Means here we will take let nth term is the first negative term. Means we can consider here AN is less than 0. AN means 125 minus 4N less than 0. We will shift that is 4N to make a positive. Here the sign will be less only. 125 less than 4N. Here we will say 125, this 4 we will shift here 4 divided by N. Now dividing. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 and 1 by 4 less than N. Okay, so the value of N is greater than 31 1 by 4. This is a mixed number. Okay, mixed fraction, sorry. So 31 1 by 4 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 32nd. That's why we will say and N. We have to find the value of N. N means the first negative term. That's why we will say 32nd term is the first negative term, which is greater than 31 1 by 4. So second term is first negative term. Okay, so you have to understood maybe. Second problem, the sum of third and seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of first 16 term of an AP. Okay, so the sum of first 16 term we will get when I will get the first term and the common difference then only. So they have given A3 plus A7 is equal to 6. A3 we had substituted the formula A plus 2D, then here is a plus A plus 6D is equal to 6. A plus A is a 2A plus 2D plus 6D, AD is equal to 6. Here from here I have taken out take out 2 as a common. A plus 4D is equal to 6. A plus 4D is equal to 6 divided by 2. A plus 4D is equal to 3 and I have converted A in the form of a D. Okay. Now what? See here. Second condition is there. Their product money A3 into A7 is equal to 8. What is again the formula for A3? A plus 2D into A plus 6D is equal to 8. Substitute the value of A here. Okay. So what is the value of A? That is 3 minus 4D plus 2D as it is. Again into A the value of A is 3 minus 4D plus 6D, which is equal to 8. Are you getting here? 3 minus 4D and minus 4D plus 2D. E is nothing but minus 2D, and minus 4D plus 6D is nothing but 3 plus 2D, which is equal to 8. Here the multiplication of this is nothing but the identity we have to use third, that is A minus B, A plus B, both the terms are same. So we will get 3 square as a 9 and 2D square is nothing but 4D square, which is equal to 8. 9 minus 4D is equal to 8 means here I will shift 8 here left hand side and D 4D right hand side, because it is a negative I want to make positive. Here I will get as a 4D square here. So here I will get 9 minus 8 is a 1 and this is a 4D square. So 1 by 4 is equal to D square. So value of our D square is equal to 1 by 4 means D is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. Means here we got the value of our D is 2. One is a plus 1 by 2 and another is a minus 1 by 2. So substitute D is equal to 1 by 2 in the equation 1. Why? To get the value of A. So A is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. Here I will cancel here 2 1s are 2 2s are. A I will get 3 minus 2. So A is equal to I will get as a 1. When D is equal to 1 by 2, A is equal to 1, can we find S15? They have said here we have to find the first 16 terms of an AP, that is Sn is equal to n by 2. Formula we are writing, which formula we will use? This, because we are knowing that is A also, D also, N also. S16 is equal to 16 divided by 2 in the bracket. Your first term here is a 2. 2 into 1 plus 16 minus 1 and the value of a D is 1 by 2 we have used. Okay. So S16 we will get here 2 1s are 2 8s are 8. Here is a 2 1s are 2 and here is a 16 minus 1 means 15. 15 into 1 by 2 means 15 by 2, and if we will do the sum we will get into 4 2s are 2 2s are 4 and 15 plus 4 is 19 by 2. The 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are, and we will get as a 4 into 19, that is 76. We are going to get here as a 76, that is a total sum of 16 terms, but when D is equal to 1 by 2 and A is equal to 1. Substitute now. Now we got the value of D is 2. One is 1 by 2 and another is minus 1 by 2. And for both the values of a D, 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, we will find the first term. Okay. So here D is equal to minus 1 by 2 in the equation 1. This is equation 1. So we will get A is equal to 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. So A is equal to 3. Minus into minus is a plus. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2s are plus 2 means we got here, that is first term is 5. Now we will find as that is S16, which is equal to 16 by 2. But in that case we have to use first term is 1 by 5 plus n minus 1 means 16 minus 1 and the value of a D is minus 1 by 2. Okay. So S16, which is equal to 2 8s are 5 2s are 10, and here is a plus into minus is a minus because 16 minus 1 is a 15. So we will get as a 15 by 2. So how? S16, which is equal to 8, 10 2s are 20 minus 5 divided by 2. Here S16, which is equal to 8 into, this is nothing but this is a 15. Okay. So that is a 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are, and we will get here S16 is equal to 20. So the sum of the 16 terms here is 2 2s are 20, 5 by 2, 4s are. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are, add speak up, but I had written here as a 2, and 5 fours are 20. Okay, so here S16 we got here the 20. Here we got the total sum of the 16 terms are 2. One first in 76 and in the second 20. See here the third problem, a ladder. Everyone know about the ladder. Has a rungs, means आप ये समझ लो सीढ़ियाँ, one steps 25 centimeter apart. Okay, the length of a means the distance between these two ladder, these two rungs, इसको rungs बोला जाता है. ये जो length रहती है उसको सॉरी ये जो रहते हैं steps हम बोलते हैं उसको rungs बोला जाता है, और distance between the two rungs is 25 centimeter. They have given, ये first है आपकी rungs, तो फर्स्ट जो है वो 25 सेंटीमीटर है उसकी लेंथ, और जो लास्ट रंग है वो 45 सेंटीमीटर है उन्होंने दिया है. द रंग्स डिक्रीज यूनिफॉर्मली इन द लेंथ ऑफ 45 सेंटीमीटर एट द बॉटम टू द 25 सेंटीमीटर एट द टॉप. इफ द टॉप एंड द बॉटम रंग्स आर 2.5 मीटर अपार्ट. ये जो फर्स्ट है और लास्ट जो रंग है इनका जो डिस्टेंस है बिटवीन ये 2.5 मीटर है. अभी आपने देखा कि जो मैंने बताया कि लेंथ ऑफ फर्स्ट रंग इस सेंटीमीटर में है, और ये जो डिस्टेंस दिया है फर्स्ट और लास्ट रंग का वो मीटर में दिया है, तो हम इस मीटर को कन्वर्ट करेंगे सेंटीमीटर में. 2 मीटर माने हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर, 200 सेंटीमीटर, और हाफ मीटर माने 50 सेंटीमीटर, तो टोटल कितना हुआ 250 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, एंड बट दे हैव आस्क्ड हियर द क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द वुड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द रंग्स. ये जो रंग्स बनाने के लिए कितना लेंथ ऑफ द वुड लगा है, माने हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द SN. ठीक है, लेकिन आप देखिए कि जब तक मुझे इस लैडर में कितने रंग्स है माने स्टेप से पता नहीं चलेगा तब तक मैं निकाल नहीं पाऊंगी दैट इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस लैडर. मीन्स द लेंथ what it is given, the length of the wood required for the rungs. So first the length of the top rung is 25 centimeter, which we are going to call this as a length of the last rung we are going to call this as a AN, which is equal to 45 centimeter. Distance between the first and the last rung is 2.5 meter, which is equal to 250 centimeter. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू रंग्स, ये जो टू रंग्स है उसका 25 सेंटीमीटर है. हमें निकालनी है कि नंबर ऑफ रंग्स उस सीढ़ी में लैडर में कितनी है, तो ये हम निकालेंगे डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट रंग अपॉन डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू रंग्स प्लस 1. ओके, प्लस 1 करना है इसमें, जैसे कि यहाँ सीढ़ी में 3 है. ओके, तो बताइए कि इस दो में से डिस्टेंस 25 है, इसका भी कितना रहेगा 25, टोटल कितना हुआ 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 25. यदि मुझे नंबर ऑफ रंग्स निकालने तो ये दो ही निकलेंगे. अब देखो कि इसमें तो रंग्स 3 है लेकिन मुझे मिलेगा 2, इसीलिए हमें एक क्या करना पड़ता है, ऐड ऑलवेज. दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला फॉर टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ रंग्स. So the distance between first and last rung is 250 upon 25 plus 1. You are going to get 10 plus 1 is 11. So number of rungs is equal to 11. Now we have to find that is SN. SN is equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. I will use this formula because here I am having n is equal to 11. Means 11 rungs are there in this ladder. 11 by 2. First term is 25 centimeter and last term is 45 centimeter. We will get 11 by 2 into, this is nothing but a 70. 2 ones are 2 35s are. We will get 11 into 35. 11 5s are 55. Carry 5. 11 3s are 33 plus 5 is 38. So they have asked to you how much wood required. Therefore total wood required to make the rung is equal to 385 centimeter. Okay, Jai Gurudev, thank you. Here